Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to back up Yahoo emails to hard drive. So after you've opened your Yahoo email account, you're going to click on your profile over here at the top right. Then you're going to click on account info and it will bring you to this tab. And once you're here, you're going to click on privacy controls over here at the top. Then it will bring you to this new tab and then you want to scroll down and under manage your information, you're going to click on download and view your Yahoo data. And from here, you want to scroll down and you will see which of your data you can download. So you can go ahead and select it from here, or you can just click on select all over here at the top. Then after that, just scroll down to the very bottom, then click on next. Then scroll down again and it will ask you for your email address so that they can notify you once your download request is done. And after that, just click on request download. And you just want to wait for it for a few moments. And after that, you're just going to click on done over here. And you just want to wait for their email because they will notify you once your download request is ready. And once they've sent you the email, you're just going to go ahead and go back to this page and you can download your data and you can either save it to your computer or save it to a hard drive. So that's it. Thanks for watching.